I got this jacket to fix. It has some kind of this thing happen in the jacket, so the person can't wear it. So I made a design. I choose the pink color, and first I cut the vinyl, and after that I place it on the mat. And as you can see that how I am placing it, face upside down, so the glittery side is bottom and the top side is there, and this is the pattern I cut it. The black is underneath. I will put it, and after that I start putting the patch on the affected area, and I put the parchment paper, and now I am putting the iron and heat it up the area. Just be careful because the jacket is also plastic material, so try not to burn the jacket. It heat ups very easily, so it was like easy to burn. So after that I applied the heat again, and just not to touch the jacket. And
after applying heat, I let it cool it, and after that I removed the plastic layer.
Listen to crunchy sounds, it's amazing.
Peel of the layer. Applied heat again because some of the parts was not done properly.
it's done, and after that this is the final picture, and now the affected area is hidden. Let me know what do you guys think about this.